BeReal just got caught manipulating EU users into tracking consent. Protect yourself with burner numbers. European privacy groups filed complaints after discovering BeReal uses aggressive tactics to pressure users into ad tracking. If you refuse consent, they pester you with pop-ups every single day. Accept tracking? They leave you alone. This is exactly why smart users never give social apps their real phone number. Here's what most people don't realize about BeReal verification. Your phone number becomes your permanent account identifier, stored internally for account management. With over 422 million people affected by data breaches in 2024 alone, that's a massive privacy risk. Plus, BeReal can legally reuse your photos in ad campaigns for 3 decades. The solution? Long-term burner numbers from MobileSMS.io. Unlike free VoIP services that get rejected, we provide real SIM card numbers from legitimate carriers with a 99.7% acceptance rate. You can rent the same number for 7 days, 30 days, or even 90 days, perfect for ongoing BeReal use. Setup takes minutes. Choose your rental period, verify your BeReal account, and your real number stays completely private. With platforms implementing stricter VoIP detection in 2025, non-VoIP burner numbers aren't just smart, they're essential. Protect your privacy while staying social. Check out MobileSMS.io for reliable long-term burner numbers that actually work. Start BeReal the private way with MobileSMS.io.